designed a fun activity for you. It's a fun magic activity. Now you may be wondering why it is called a magic activity. For that you will have to wait and watch. For the experiment we require 3 round bottle flasks, 2 white flowers, a petri dish with water, 2 food colors, anything of your choice. Here we are using yellow color and green color, a scapula, 2 glass rods, a marker, a cutter and a scissor and sticker. So when we have to start the experiment, we will take the flowers. We have to put the flowers in. We have to see to it that the flowers are in the water. We'll take the flowers. We'll take it in the petri dish containing the water. Using a cutter. Before you use the cutter, see to it that it's done in adult supervision with your parents or some elder. You have to cut it diagonally so that there is more surface tension. To do this very carefully that you don't hurt yourself. Now what we are going to do is we are going to take the 2 round bottle flasks. We have put the stickers, if you can see it. I have written yellow food dye and here I have written green food dye. So what we are going to do is first, in the first round bottle flask we are going to put the yellow dye. Around a half spoon of yellow dye. Stir it. See to it that you're stirring it nicely. So that all of the dye gets dissolved in the water. We keep this aside. Then we take this, the sticker which has the green food dye. You can use any dye of your choice, any color that you like. You can already see that when we add the dye, the color changes. Use a different glass rod for both the colors. Again, mix it properly. After we have mixed it properly, we'll keep it aside. We'll take the glass rods from the round bottle flask and we'll keep them aside. Then we are going to take our white flowers and we are going to put 1 flower in each of the round bottle flask. Now we'll keep this round bottle flask in the sunlight for 24 hours and then we'll see the magic. So after 24 hours, we will check on the flower. Can you see the petals? Yes, they have taken the green color. Yes, and if you see the stem, if you see it down, see it is slightly green in color because it has taken up water, green colored water. That has transported to the different parts of the plant, including the petals. Similarly for the yellow one, can you see the petals? They have become yellow in color. And see the stem, it is slightly yellow in color because it has taken the water which has yellow dye in it. So you can see it's slightly yellow in color, and that is how the flower takes the yellow color. Now you must be wondering how this happens. We all know that the roots supply the water to the different parts of the plant. What happens when the flower is cut off? When the flower is cut off, the stem still drinks water and transports the water to the different parts of the plant. Now, when the stem is cut off in the flower, when it is cut off with the stem, what happens? In the stem there are these thin tubes called as xylem. Xylem transports the water to the different parts of the plant, including the including the flowers and the leaves. Here, in the xylem, there are various factors that help the water to move upwards in the xylem. One being transpiration. Now, what is transpiration? It is nothing but the loss of water from the parts of the plant. When there is loss of water, this creates a vacuum to the xylem, and it helps the water to move upwards. It's similar to how we suck a straw when we need to drink something. It's the similar way. You imagine the straw as your xylem and the liquid inside as water. Okay, this is a similar way how it happens. So when you keep a round bottle flask and you add the food dye in it, so if suppose we have added the green dye, so the green water will go up to the plant and the plant will get the green color. If you add similarly with the yellow one, that is how the flowers change the color and we get different colors and they become colorful. Isn't it fun? I hope you all have enjoyed this video as much as I have, and you will do this at home but with adult supervision. Thank you.